Okay guys, Windows 10 is startup error. So let's say you're not at all being able to turn on your PC. When you try to turn on your system, in the beginning itself you are getting a startup error. So how to fix this Windows 10 startup error? So one simple and easy way in this tutorial, I hope it help lots of people. So let's begin with this one simple and easy way to fix this startup error. Sometimes your windows look like this. You are not able to turn on your PC, or let's say you are getting this blue screen with all these options directly when you just try to turn on your PC. So what are you guys gonna do? You're just gonna choose, it's a troubleshoot, and here you have reset this PC. Let's click on that. Keep my files or remove everything. If you want to keep your personal file, choose the first option and enter. Okay guys, this will restart your PC, and after restarting, this is what you get. So it's gonna take some time to get ready, and finally you have this page. So reset this PC. Currently I have a multiple number of account, so you're gonna choose your account one you used to log in your PC. So if it is password protected, you have to enter the password and click on continue. If it is not password protected, just directly click on continue. Now once you click on continue, this is what you get. Resetting this PC, getting the things ready. So give us some time and it will get all the things ready. Okay guys, now here it is. Once it gets ready, click on reset. Now this might take several minutes and we are all done. Your PC will be all the way ready to use. So finally here is your PC all the way ready to use. Now you can use it. It's like new, like newly purchased one. And here you have the removed app. So just click on it and you're gonna show you the list of app that has been removed from your PC. You have to reinstall. So if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you in the next tutorial with another great stuff. Have a good day.